Once again, it's been a very eventful few months recently as far as both the college is concerned as well as the NHS, and there's a great deal of building froth as far as the political activity around NHS issues is currently concerned. It's also been good within the college to see the gradual building of momentum within the Hope Foundation, which is our charitable foundation, which will be focusing on delivering the objectives of supporting those in particular need, both within the UK as well as overseas, and you'll be hearing more about that in due course. One of the highlights of the college calendar, of course, is our admission ceremony, and we've just celebrated the success of almost 200 new diplomates in our most recent ceremony, which was held on a wonderful day in the Bute Hall at the University of Glasgow. As well as all of those receiving their diplomas, we also welcomed 4 very significant senior clinicians to honorary fellowship in our college. Professor Tiago from Chennai, who was awarded the honorary fellowship in the Faculty of Travel Medicine. We had a podiatry fellowship awarded to Professor Michael Edmonds, who's probably delivered more in the way of supporting diabetic foot care than perhaps anyone else working in that field. In addition to these two, we also honoured 2 significant surgeons who gave leadership lectures the day before. One of them, John Meara from Boston, is a very significant surgeon, but also health policy analyst and global health expert. And he's been advising governments around the world, particularly with relation to the provision of surgical services for low-income countries. And in addition to John, we had David McAdam, who's been a missionary surgeon in Central Africa for many years, almost 3 decades, and he gave a very moving account of what it was like to deliver healthcare from a boots-on-the-ground type approach, and all of that really provided his audience and their audience with a sense of both the moral, professional and intellectual challenge which I think we all have to meet.